"What is your name?" he asked her. "My name is Linda," she answered. "What is your name?" Linda asked. "My name is Brian," he answered. They knew each other's names. They became friends. Brian was tall and skinny. Linda was a little shorter than Brian. She was also skinny. Brian and Linda had black hair. Brian asked Linda if she was busy. She told Brian she was not. "Want to go to the coffee shop?" Brian then asked. Linda said sure. They walked to the coffee shop. It was nearby. Brian opened the door for Linda. Linda said thank you. They bought their coffee. They sat down to drink it. They talked to each other. Brian learned about Linda. Linda learned about Brian. The two were alike. Brian walked Linda home. "It was nice meeting you," Linda said to Brian. "Likewise," Brian replied.